Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how the website works, where you can sign up for drive times, and where you need to log in, and hopefully answer some of your questions that I've been getting. So first off, if you go to besd.net, it's box-elder-school-district.net, down here you will notice there is a driver's ed. You can click on that. This is to register. You go to Box Elder High School or Bear Bear High School, but since you're all registered, you're just going to come up here and click login. Okay, I currently have my son as one of my students, so I'm actually going to use his account as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and log in for him. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in. And so here, up here, we'll have your username. Over here in this gray box kind of shows you your progress of getting your license or getting passed with the classes. Notice here in the classroom, it says required performance hours is 30, completed performance hours is 30. That means he's already completed his classroom portion. Behind the wheel, he has to drive for 6 hours. So it says performance on here. And he has to observe for 6 hours. And so far he has done 0 and 0. And then here we have the road test. When we get down to that point, he has to take a 30-minute road test. Well, it's not 30 minutes, but they just put it in as a 30. The road test is really only 15 to 20 minutes usually. And we'll put in whether you get completed or not. So how do you schedule to drive with me? If you notice right here, it says schedule behind the wheel periods now, or over here on the left side, it shows schedule behind the wheel. You can click on that, and then you're gonna have my calendar come up. Now with my son, he doesn't turn 16 until March. So this program does limit who can sign up for drives. If you notice all of these in yellow, if I click on, let's say I wanted him to drive on July 3rd, I click on it, it says there's 2 seats available. Hour you're going to drive, an hour you're going to observe. But here it says that he is too young to take this period. For those of you who are old enough, I think I have it set up that you can drive with when you turn 16, if you're already 16 or if you turn 16 within the next 2 months. I'll be playing with that a little bit. You will have a button here that says register. And I'll show you that in just a second. But if you're too young, it's going to say you're too young to take this period and won't even allow you to register or sign up for a driving time. Right now, my driving times are 8 to 10 in the morning and then 10 to 12. But anyway, so I just kind of set up an example of what this will look like. But these are currently open for people to start to sign up on. If it's in red, that means it's a past period, meaning it's already taken place. If it's yellow, that means it's full or not available. That's why for my son, these are all yellow because he can't drive yet because he hasn't gotten to within 2 months of turning 16. And then the green will be possible vacancies. So for those of you who can sign up, these should be green unless they're already filled in by other students. Now, I'm going to go back to my student center. There's some other things over here that are good to know. You click view transcript. View transcript will just kind of show you emails I've sent. And then if I say anything specific, put any specific notes in to the drive after your student is driven, they'll show up here in your transcript. When you finish with the class and I sign your road test and that's finished, you can find that here in your transcripts. So you can find a lot of your transcript inside a lot. You can find a lot in your transcript to be able to see things that have happened already. Now, I also want to point out down here, there's something called the Help Center. The Help Center will help you answer a lot of questions. So, for example, behind the wheel drive times, I was telling you before my son couldn't see them because he wasn't old enough. So let's see, I want to register for a drive time. And this kind of shows you a step-by-step. See, here's the greens, which means it's available. Yellow means it's not available. Red means it's in the past. So when you go into it, you should see something that says register now. Okay. And then when you click register now, like it shows you closer right here, it'll have a confirmation for your registration just to make sure you know that you are signing up for a drive. Pickup location and drop off location will always be Box Elder High School. We just meet and drive. We meet by the driver's ed cars here at Box Elder High School always. And then if you ever need to cancel something, like here is, it shows you how you can cancel a drive if needed. Let's go back to the student center. Let's go back to the help center. If you need any questions about your account, your classroom, training, ledger, glossary, you can come back here. But here's some good help for you. Anyway, I hope this video helps clear up a few questions for now. So that's how you can schedule the behind the wheel sessions. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. My email is matthew.patterson@besd.net. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know.